Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance. Welcome back. I'm so happy you're here with me. We're going to do a bloom. We're going to do bloom like the one I did in the last, where it's kind of like a side bloom. And these are our beautiful colors. Let me tell you about it. We're going to be using Amsterdam's Azo Yellow Deep, Amsterdam Quinacridone Rose, which is one of my favorites. This is a custom purple. It's transparent. Pebeo green blue, and a custom green for the leaves. So that's what we'll be using. I'm still trying to learn this and fine-tune it. A lot to learn, huh? Okay, let's add the pillow paint. I'll be using PPG Multipro. And these containers are from the 99-cent store. I like to use it. That's enough for now. I'm gonna add more later if I need to. Let me just spin it out a little bit. Okay. All right, I'm gonna start, put my bloom right here with Azo Yellow Deep. I'm gonna try to make them smaller so I can keep the bloom on the, so there we go. Now the Quinacridone Rose by Amsterdam, Quinacridone Rose. Wait a minute. You're already bubbling up on me, huh? That pretty color. Now our custom purple. It is transparent. Not all purples are. And now for my Pebeo green, I'm just going to put it down here. Like that. And for my custom green, it does have metallic in it. Right here. Okay, tried not to make it so it's not too big. Okay, for my cell activator, I'm going to use Payne's Gray. Let me give it one last torch. Oh, yep, pop some bubbles. I'll do that right. All right, I'm gonna be using my smallest little blow dryer. Let's go. Okay, now I'm going to use my straw because all right. Well, I definitely wanted to see more of the pink and purple, but we'll see. Let me just work with what I got. All right, let me see if there's anything else to pop. All right, so I'm going to do some skewer work. Where the magic happens. Actually, I think there we go. That's pretty. Okay. Now, it's kind of white up there. I don't really like that, but you never know when you blow it out. Okay. Here, let me fix this right here. Do it a little bit. Okay, well, let me spread out my paint now. Let me spin it a little bit. Okay, now I'll spread out my paint. Need a little bit more there, I think. That's where I use a smaller bottle. My dog just came in and grabbed something. Let me go check. What did she get? Usually she will run with whatever she's grabbed that she shouldn't, but she didn't this time. Okay, that's very pretty. I'm going to, it's lighter in color compared to some of my other blooms, and that is, reminds me of my mother's flower garden. Her roses, she had so many different colors, and they weren't all real bright and stuff. Some of them were just beautiful yellows. All right, let's spin this out just a little. Let me clean this up just a little bit here. There. Okay. Here we go. Just a little bit more. There we go. It's all off the sides. I kept my bloom on. Yes. That is good. You can't put too much paint on. See, we got full coverage over all my canvas. That's very pretty. All right, my friends. I'm learning, you're learning along with me. So do not put too much paint when you make your puddle if you want to do this kind of flower. It's a little lower than I wanted, but I'm good with that. I wonder if we could stretch it a little. Can't tell if it's moving. I think it is. Yeah, I think it did move, huh? A little bit more. There we go. All right. God bless you. I'll get you down for a close-up, and then I'm going to do some more of these.